Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Namah Panikatyayana Patanjalibhyah Shabda Vidya Sampradaya Kartrubhyo Vamsha Rishibhyo Mahadbhyo Mulbhyo Gurubhyaha. Namaskar and welcome to 179th class today, 30th July 2014. So we are doing actually the 6th Shashti Vibhakti, or the possessive case, genitive case, possessive case, case which shows relation and position. Shashti is under study, and we are also doing some abhyasa here of Ajanta Pullinga Shabdas and Halanta Shabdas, vowel ending nouns and consonant ending nouns. We are thoroughly studying them and putting them to practice by way of abhyasa. In the previous class we have completed abhyasa 88, wherein we have learnt Krudanta Prayoga also. A simple way of saying Sanskrit, like Acharya Vedam Patati, Acharya Vedasya Patanam Karoti. A simple way of saying Patati, Vedam Patati and Vedasya Patanam Karoti. A derivative extensive meaning of the same Patanam Karoti. We have done those examples in Abhyasa 88, 87 I think, and then 89 is also intended for the exercise by filling in the blanks here given in the conveniently. The words which are given in the brackets are to be derived in Shashti Vibhakti here. The direction is there in your page. You can see the page number 215. Srinivas, we go there. So, Kostake Dattani Padani Parivartya, change the bracketed words and fill in the blanks. Rikta Sthanam Purayata. Yes.
Example is Yatha Rasaha Rasasya Aswadanam Karoti.
Yatha means just as. This is an example. Udaharanartham, Rasaha is given and it is derived in Shashti. Rasasya Aswadanam Karoti. So, you are deriving Rasa Shabda which is given in Pullinga, Akaranta Pullinga in Shashti Vibhakti, Rasasya. So, Rasam Aswadayati otherwise. That is the previous exercise. Rasam Aswadayati, Rasasya Aswadanam Karoti. Someone is tasting, doing the taste of Rasa. What is Rasa? Any Rasa is basically enjoyment. Rasa is enjoyment. Somebody is enjoying this sentiment, we call sometimes, it is a psychological mood, navarasas, etc. And also there is a rasa in eating also. Lavana is a rasa, madhura is a rasa, madhura rasa, etc. So that is one given, and two, Srinivas.
Atitihi, that Satkaram Kurvanti.
Atithehe Satkaram Kurvanti. Now the subject is implied here in this sentence. Who are doing the Satkar of the guest? Some people are doing, third person. Te, somebody, taha te, atithehe Satkaram Kurvanti. The verb is in plural, so we are given to understand the subject are in plural. Te are te purushaha, those people, etc. Atithehe Satkaram Kurvanti. Yes.
Vastu Pradarshani Udghatanam Karoti.
Vastu Pradarshinyaha Udghatanam Karoti. Somebody is inaugurating the exhibition. Meaning is Vastu Pradarshinyaha Udghatanam Karoti. Someone is doing the inauguration of an exhibition. Vastu Pradarshini, you can understand word. Vastu Pradarshinyaha Udghatanam Karoti.
Dhanam dash Sangrahanam Karoti.
Sangrahanam. Dhanasya, very simple. Put dhana in Shashti. Dhanasya Sangrahanam Karoti. Somebody is collecting, saving money, collecting of the money. Doing now literally someone is doing the collection of money. Dhanasya, of money. Sangrahanam, collection. Karoti. Next, fifth.
Vastram dash prakshalanam karoti.
Vastrasya prakshalanam karoti. Somebody is doing the cleaning of the cloth. Vastrasya prakshalanam karoti. Next.
Mitram dash upahasam karoti.
Mitrasya upahasam karoti. Someone is making fun of a friend. Mitrasya upahasam karoti. Mitram upahasati. If you were to make it a direct statement like we did in the previous class, Mitram upahasati is equal to Mitrasya upahasam karoti. Apahasam karoti. Upahasam, this is a making fun of. Apahasa would be something making insult, etc. Okay.
Patrika dash pathanam karomi.
Patrikam patati. Simple terms it would be Patrikam patati. Patrikayaha patanam karoti. Somebody is doing the reading of a paper. Someone is doing the reading of a paper. Patrikayaha. So you derive Patrika as Kanyayaha. Akaranta Strilinga Shabda as you know it. Then Slokaha.
Slokaha dash
Sangrahanam karoti. Now Slokaha is given in plural, so you put it in Bahuvachana, Shashti Bahuvachana. Put it Slokasya, Slokayoho, Shloka Nam. Nam will come in the Shashti. Slokanam Sangrahanam karoti. Somebody is doing the collection of poems. Slokanam Sangrahanam karoti. Slokan Sangrahnati. So Slokanam Shashti Bahuvachana. Ninth.
Athitayaha ahvanam
Kurvanti. So put Atithayaha, which is Bahuvachana. Atithi Shabda Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda Pumlinga. Atitihi Atithi Atithayaha. Atithinam Ahvanam Kurvanti. They are inviting the guests. They are doing the invitation of the guests. So this way these 9 are done. Fast will go down. Atitehe Satkaram Kurvanti. Vastu Pradarshinyaha Udghatanam Karoti. Dhanasya Sangrahanam Karoti. Vastrasya Prakshalanam Karoti. Mitrasya Upahasam Karoti. Patrikayaha Patanam Karoti. Slokanam Sangrahanam Karoti. Atithinam Ahvanam Kurvanti. 10th.
Katha dash anuvadam karomi.
Simply put Katha, to derive Katha in Shashti, 6th case singular number. Kathayaha Anuvadam Karoti. He is doing the translation of a story. Translating the story. 11.
Atma
Alankaram Karomi. Atma Alankaram Karomi. This is Uttama Purusha Prayoga. Karomi is come here. I am doing the decoration of myself. Atmanaha. Shashti Ekavachana. Atma Atmano Atmanaha. You go down to Shashti. Atmanaha. Panchami also Atmanaha. Atmanaha Alankaram Karomi. I am doing the decoration of myself. Of the self here. Atmanaha means self. I am decorating myself. 12.
Uttara patrane.
Patrani. That's all.
Patrani.
Parishodhanam karoti. Uttara Patrani means answer scripts. Students answer scripts. Uttara Patranam Parishodhanam karoti. Somebody is doing the valuation, correction of the answer scripts. Uttara Patranam Parishodhanam karoti. Somebody is evaluating the answer papers. Next.
Chitram Pradarshanam karomi.
Chitrasya Pradarshanam Karomi is there. I am making an exhibition of the picture. Chitrasya Pradarshanam Karomi. Next. Pataha
Vivaranam karoti.
Pathasya Vivaranam Karoti. Patam Vivrunoti or Pathasya Vivaranam Karoti. Means someone is doing explaining the lesson, doing the explanation of the lesson. Patasya 15.
Vastrani
Prasaranam karoti. Vastranam prasaranam karoti. Somebody is spreading the clothes. Someone is doing the spreading of the clothes. Vastranam prasaranam karoti. 15, 16.
Pariharam karoti.
Now this samasyaha looks like Shashti, but it is Bahuvachana. Samasya, samasye, samasyaha. Kanya, kanye, kanyaha. This is akaranta samasya strilinga shabda. Samasyaha problems pariharam karoti. Samasyanam, just put nam. Samasyanam pariharam karoti. Somebody is solving the problems, doing the solution of the problem. And the last one, 17.
Bhavanam dash udghatanam karoti.
Just bhavanasya. Bhavanasya udghatanam karoti. Somebody is doing the inauguration of the building. So rapidly we'll go from 10 to 17. Kathayaha anuvadam karomi. Atmanaha alankaram karomi. Uttarapatranam parishodhanam karoti. Chitrasya pradarsanam karomi. Pathasya vivaranam karoti. Vastranam prasaranam karoti. Samasyanam pariharam karoti. Bhavanasya udghatanam karoti. So these are simple derivations into Shashti Vibhakti, where Ikaranta it is Ehe Atithehe, where Akaranta it is Sya, where Akaranta Yaha. This is the endings you come across in Akaranta Yaha, Ikaranta Yaha, Ikaranta Pullinga Ehe, and Akaranta Pullinga Sya, Mitrasya, Patasya, etc. And in Bahuvachana Nam, Anam. And we did not get other Halanta Shabdas here, many. So what do you think, Srinivas? Shall we write or not necessary?
Yes.
So we'll write, maybe we'll do some more. Next also we can do, na?
Yes.
We will write them, but after the Kriyayaha vibhajya prayoge karmanaha shashti kridanta rupe kridanta yoge shashti. So we have done earlier in the previous page immediately 214 we have split up the kriya and made prayoge. We have made the objective case karma, the objective dvitiya, into shashti, turned. That is what the following exercise is about, which is a part of this exercise, I think, 89. Part of it not numbered here. So, adho nirdishtani vakyani patat. Now read the following sentence. Balakaha dwaram udghatayati. It is a simple, straight sentence, wherein you have three important components: the subject, object, and the verb. Balakaha subject, dwaram object, udghatayati verb. The same what we have done in the previous page, split up, like balakaha stands same, dwaram, which is objective case, dvitiya vibhakti, objective case, karmani dvitiya, takes shashti as dwarasya, as the clear mention is there in the book. And udghatayati verb also changes into a verbal noun, udghatanam karoti, and we take the help of a verb like karoti. So balakaha karoti. Kim karoti balakaha? Udghatanam karoti. Kasya udghatanam karoti? Dwarasya udghatanam karoti. Anyatha, otherwise balaha dwaram udghatayati iti api sadhu vakyam. Now same way, te, subject here, saha tau te, they, vakyani smaranti. Te smaranti. Te kim smaranti? Vakyani smaranti. Te balakaha, te chhatraha, vakyani smaranti. Something I am giving you noun to follow better. Te balakaha, te chhatraha. Those students are those boys. Vakyani smaranti. Remembering the sentences. Now te standing the same, subject. Vakyani, which is objective case of dvitiya bahuvachana. Right? Vakyam vakye vakyani, vakyam vakye vakyani becomes, goes to shashti bahuvachana, vakyasya vakyayoho vakyanam. So as it is shown with an arrow here, Te Vakyanam Smaranam Kurvanti. And the verb Smaranti is split up into Smaranam Kurvanti. We have derived a noun from Smru Dhatu there, Smarana, and put it in Dvitiya. The verb is somewhat going to Dvitiya. The object is going to Shashti, Kurvanti. Te Vakyanam Smaranam Kurvanti. In the similar lines, Bhaktaha Devam Dhyayanti. So the devotees are meditating about the God. Devam Smaranti. Subject is Bhaktaha, Devam is the object, Dhyayanti is the verb. The verb is very nicely given, is split up into two. And Dvitiya is becoming Shashti. There the arrow is also very clear. Bhaktaha standing the same as the above. Devam becomes Devasya. Dhyanam Kurvanti. The devotees are doing the meditation upon the God. Devam becomes Devasya, meditation of the God. Devasya Dhyanam Kurvanti. Dhyayanti Dhyanam Kurvanti. Now some explanation is given. I will read. Avadheyam Upari Darshiteshu Trishu Vakyeshu. In the three sentences shown here, 1, 2, 3, Balakaha, Te, Bhaktaha, etc. Only three Vakyas and three analysis. Kriyapadani Vibhajya. There we have broken the Kriyapada, right, Srinivas?
Yes.
Kriyapada is broken. Udghatanam karoti, Smaranam karoti, Ityadi Rupena. In this way, Likitam, it is written. Yada, when evam kriyapadasya vibhagah kriyate, when there is a division of the verb like this, tada, then prathama vakyasya yat karma, then what is the karma object of the first sentence? Tasmat, from that verb you get Shashti Vibhaktihi. What is the second case of the first sentence become the sixth case in the second. Natu Dvitiya, but not Dvitiya Vibhakti. It does not stand as Dvitiya. It is very clearly seen here. Atra, here, Krudanta Kriya Yoge, in the usage of the derivative of this Krut suffixes, Karmani, in Karma, Shashti Bhavati iti Niyamaha. Again we are repeating that when we do this kind of splitting, the karma or the object takes the Shashti Vibhakti. Like Patham becomes Patasya, Vakyam becomes Vakyasya, and Dwaram becomes Dwarasya. So please remember, this is a very simple exercise to learn Shashti. Now I did not specify Srinivas in the previous class. Krudanta Kriya Yoge. They are saying Krudanta. What is Krudanta means? Verbs and nouns derived, words derived from the Kruts, what you call Krut suffixes. Like for example, you take Kru Dhatu. You know Kru Dhatu, Karoti. We are using that. Now we also know that full length of the Dhatu. Dukrui. You know that famous Bhaja Govinda Stotra, written on student, on somebody who was memorizing the sutras of Panini. Dhatu Pata, Dukrui Karane. So from that Kru, if you take, from Kru Dhatu, what are derived? Karaha is there. Kumbha Karaha, Srinivas. Kru you get Kara. You from Kru Dhatu, Dukrui, Karta you get Kartru Shabda. Isn't it? From Kru Dhatu you get Karanam. See, Mula Dhatu is Kru, Dukrui. Kru to do. From Kru you get Karta, you get Karma, you get Kara, you get Kurvat, Krutavan. These are all called Krudantas. Whatever are derived from the roots, derivatives of the roots, they are called Krutva, Kartum, etc. We have done, knowingly or unknowingly, in this book we have done some exercises like Krutavan, Gatavan. Gatavan is from Gam Dhatu. Drushtavan has seen from Drush Dhatu. We have derived some forms like that. That is called Krudanta. Just a passing remark I wanted to make. So we will write a?
Yes.
Very fast we can do. Only one word needs to be written, not many. How many are there? 17. 2 rows.
First
Abhyasa
89.
89. Yeah, you go ahead. One is given. 2.
Atiti.
Atitihe. Oh.
3. Vastu Pradarshini.
Nya acha. Oh, big word. Vastu Pradarshinyaha. This is for those who do not have text. Yeah.
Dhanasya.
Simple. Dhana Shabda in Shashti become Dhanasya. 5.
Vastrasya Prakshanam.
Next. 6.
6. Mitrasya Vahasam.
So these are all Akaranta Shabdas. Some are masculine, some are neuter. Dhana is neuter, Vastra is neuter, and Mitra is also neuter. Next.
Patrikayaha.
Patri.
Patrikayaha.
So only in Akaranta Shabdas you simply put Yaha to derive Panchami and Shashti. Patrikayaha Patanam Kar. 8.
Slokasya.
What is that? Slokaha. Okay. Slokaha Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Slokanam. Next.
Next. Athitayaha.
If you know the general rule, when there is a consonant following, we don't write makara, we put we make it nasalization. Anuswara we make. What is that?
Athitinam.
Atitayaha is there, na? Atithinam. Now Akvanam is coming, so we write this ma. When following a vowel, we write out 10.
Katha.
Only Katha, Ekavachana.
Katham.
Huh?
Katha.
Kathayaha. Yes.
Atmanaha.
Atmanaha. 11. Atmanaha karomi, alankaram karomi. 12.
Patrani.
Uttara patranam. Next.
Chitrasya.
Very simple. Chitram Shabda, Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda, Chitrasya Pradashanam Karo. 14. Patasya. Vivaranam Karoti. 15.
Vastrani.
This is plural, so put Shashti plural. Vastranam.
Prasaranam.
60.
Samasyaha.
This is plural, Samasya Shabda. So Samasyanam Pariharam Karoti. 17, last one.
Bhavanasya.
Bhavanasya Udghatanam Karoti. So these are the things, and the remaining are very simple. Let them have a look. Atithehi vastu pradashinyaha dhanasya vastrasya mitrasya patrikayaha slokanam atithinam kathayaha atmanaha uttarapatranam chitrasya pathasya vastranam samasyanam bhavanasya. We'll go to next page, Srinivas. On this page, Krudanta Yoga, Kartari Shashti, again we are doing the same Krudanta Yoga, Krudanta Prakriya, and then doing Shashti Bhakti, following the same. Adho Nirdishtani Vakyani, now read the following. Ramaha Patati. We are splitting up the sentence into Ramasya Patanam Bhavati. In a different way we are saying Ramasya Patanam Bhavati. The verb Patati is becoming Patanam Bhavati. Ramaha is subject Prathama becoming Shashti. Ramasya Patanam Bhavati. So there is the reading of Rama. How do you understand Ramaha Patati? Simple. Rama is reading, doing the study. Ramasya Patanam Bhavati. Rama's study is going on. Study of Rama is going on. Okay? Rama studies, study of Rama is going on. Ramaha likati. Ramasya lekhanam bhavati. Rama's writing is taking place. Writing of Rama is going on. Balakaha gacchati. Balakasya gamanam bhavati. Meaning is same. When a sentence is given in the right form, in the right side, Ramasya patanam bhavati, you should understand it as Ramaha patati only. Then only clarity will be there. We cannot go. But this is another way of saying the same thing. So what is the next one? Ashvaha dhavati. Dhavanam bhavati. Now how do you translate this? You see how clumsy it will be. Ashvaha dhavati is fine. Horse is running or horse runs. But how would you expect anyone to translate this sentence? Ashvasya dhavanam bhavati. There is the running of the horse. If you literally translate, see the clumsiness in English, un-English it becomes. There is the running of the horse. Horse is running. Instead of saying that, there is the running dhavanam. There is the running of horse. So, which means in Sanskrit, in later I think when we do bhave prayoga also, he is laughing, we say. Saha asati, tena hasyate. There is a way of saying it in Sanskrit. Tena hasyate. We can't translate that bhave prayoga also. It is laughed by him. Then people will laugh at us. If I speak such English, then people will laugh at me. It is laughed by him. Literally it means that. But tena hasyate will be equivalent to saha hasati. Saha hasati. He is laughing only. That way, ashvasya gamanam bhavati should be understood only as ashvaha dhavati only, not any way trying to translate. Balika gayati. Fine. Balikayaha gayanam bhavati. There is the singing of a girl. Sometimes some English translation may sound well. Balikayaha gayanam bhavati. So there is the singing of the girl. So now again explanation here. Let us see. Upari darshiteshu vakyeshu. In the sentences shown above, 5 sentences, Kriya Padam Vibhajya, we have divided, having divided the verb, Patanam Bhavati, Lekhanam Bhavati, Ityadi Rupena Likitam. There is written like this, Patanam Bhavati, Lekhanam Bhavati, Gachati becomes Gamanam Bhavati. Yada Evam, whenever Kriya Padasya Vibhagaha Kriyate, whenever like this the verb is split up, Tada, then Prathama Vakyasya yat Kartrupadam, whatever is the Kartrupada, means subject of the first sentence, Tasmat, from that Shashti Vibhakti Bhavati. There will be Shashti Vibhakti. As you've seen, Ramaha Ramasya, Ramaha Balakaha Balakasya, Ashvaha Ashvasya, etc. Natu Prathama, but not Prathama. Atra, here, Krudanta Kriya Yoge Kartari Shashti Bhavati iti niyam. The rule here is, in Krudanta Kriya Yoga, Kartari, earlier it was Karmani Shashti. Here, Karmani Shashti in the previous way. Balakaha Dwaram Udgatayati. Balakaha Dwarasya Udgatanam Karoti there. The karma became Shashti, here the Karta is becoming Shashti. That is the difference. Getting it? So, Atra Krudanta Kriya Yoge Kartari Shashti Bhavati iti niyama. That is the rule here. In Kartrupada, in the subjective word, we get Shashti. In the earlier examples. We saw Shashti in the verbal form. Now, Krudanta Kartari Karmani Chak Shashti. Now we are going to see some examples both in Kartrupada and Karmapada, in the subject and in the object, Shashti Vibhakti. You can read, Srinivas.
ईश्वरः संसारं साधु पालयति ईश्वरस्य संसारस्य पालनं साधु अस्ति.
So one and the same, two sentences are same, but the way of expression is different. I am repeatedly telling you. Ishvaraha samsaram sadhu palayati is a statement here. Ishvaraha, God, samsaram, this world, sadhu, nicely, palayati is taking care. God is taking care of this world very well. Now the same thing, there are two things here. Ishvaraha is the kartrupada, karta. Samsara is the karma. And palayati is the kriya. Sadhu is an adverb here. Ishwarasya, in the Ishvara Shabda, Kartru Shabda, you have Shashti. Ishwarasya, and in Karma Shabda also you have Shashti. Ishwarasya, Samsarasya, Palanam, Sadhu Asti. So Palayati changed to Palanam here. The verb also is changed to noun in Kriya, what do you call it? Krudanta Kriya Prayoga. Palayati has become Palanam, Sadhu retained Asti. So what is the meaning of the second sentence here? When it is split up, the, what do you call, the rule of the world, the rule, this world's rule of the God, this world's rule of the God is good. The rule of this world's, this world's rule of the God is good. Sadhu. Ishwarasya, Samsarasya, Palanam, Sadhu Asti. So in an awkward way we have to put in English. Next.
Guruhu shishyam sadhu patayati. Guroho shishyasya patanam sadhu asti.
Just for exercise sake, this is good, Srinivas. Guruhu sishyam sadhu patayati. Teacher Guruhu sishyam sadhu is teaching the student well. The teacher is teaching the student well. Student is sishyam dvitiya. Guruhu is karta prathama, and karta has become shashti. Karma has become shashti. Guroho, and sishyam becomes sishyasya. Pathanam, patayati verb is turning into a verbal noun. Pathanam sadhu asti, which means the same thing. Guruhu sishyam sadhu patayati. The teacher is teaching his student well. Guroho sishyasya patanam sadhu asti. The teaching, students' teaching of a teacher, the students' teaching, the learning of a student of the teacher is good. Something like that. I am not also, I don't want to translate this, Srinivas. Next.
Paninihi vichitram sutram karoti. Paninihi sutrasya krutihi vichitra
asti. Paninihi, our great grammarian Panini, vichitram sutram karoti, makes wonderful sutra. Panini makes wonderful sutra. No, that's a fine sentence. Paninehe, in Panini Shabda you take Shashti. Vichitra Shabda, which is Dvitiya, is becoming Vichitrasya like Shashti. And Krutihi is an additional word here from Karoti. Krutihi Vichitra Asti. The you can say the creation of the sutra of Panini is wonderful. This can be translated maybe. The creation of the sutra of Panini is wonderful. That is the meaning of the Panineha Sutrasya Krutihi Vichitra Asti. Now you may be wondering, Srinivas, look here, just Karoti, from the verb Karoti you get Krutihi here. Karanam, Sutrasya Karanam or Krutihi. The book says Krutihi. And Vichitra, which is given in Prathama, Dvitiya, has become Vichitra. Here the word, Dvitiya word, So the main object is sutram here. Paninihi sutram karoti. Formulates. Panini formulates. Right? Sutram has become sutrasya. Vichitram has become vichitra, since the kruti shabda is used here. Now what I want to pay attention here is, Srinivas, kruti shabda is Strilinga. And therefore the vichitra shabda is become here an adjective to this. Vichitra krutihi. And there is a general rule I will tell you in Sanskrit, that whenever an adjective is used, it should follow the gender of the noun. It should follow the number of the noun that is there. So it is following. Forget about this, Srinivas. We go to Abhyasa 90.
Yes.
Now mainly the main intention of the book writers is how best you get hold of Shashti Vibhakti. With a flick of a tongue, your finger, you should be able to get the Shashti or Panchami of the word. The idea is that, to making you go through these exercises. See, Balaha, if I say, you should say Balasya. Kavihi, if I say, you should say Kavehe. Pitru, if I say, you should immediately Pituhu. It should flash in your mind. Pituhu. So that is the idea. Then Abhyasa. If I say Manaha, you should not say Manasya. Because Manaha is Akarata Pulliga, like looking like, so you should not say Manasya, rather Manasaha you should say. Abhyasa 90. Manjushayaha Sahayena, with the help of the box here given, Adho Nirdishteshu Vakyeshu, below given sentences, Kriya Padam Vibhajya. Now again you are going to practice this Vibhajana of Kriya Pada. Kriya Padasya Vibhajanam. Having divided the verb, after dividing the verb, Vibhajya, Karma Padam, the objective object, Shastya, Parivartya, convert the object into Shasti, Vakyani Punaha Likata, and write the sentences again. So here is this exercise. The whole thing is written in English also. Rewrite the following sentences by splitting, breaking the verbal forms with the help of the box, and by converting the accusative. Accusative case and objective case both are same. Please remember, I have not said so far accusative. It is called in English grammar accusative case also. Objective case ending into genitive or possessive. And I have just now uttered this word, genitive or possessive, both refer to Shashti Vibhakti. Objective and accusative both refer to Dvitiya Vibhakti. Now words which are enlisted here are like this, Srinivas. Anukaranam, Dhyanam, Smaranam, Darshanam, Tadanam, Lalanam, Darshanam, Panam, Hananam, Kshalanam, Marjanam, Parishilanam, Gamanam, Darshanam, Palanam, Paribhramanam, Gamanam, Smaranam, Pujanam, Darshanam. There are some repeatedly used because they are required, that's it. All these nouns, which gender you think they are in? Linga wise, it is but neuter, Napumsakas. All are Napumsakas. Whenever Anam, you come up, Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam, remember that. Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam. So Anukaranam. Now Anukaranam is derived from Anukuru Dhatu. Dhyanam Dhyai Dhatu. Smru Dhatu, Smaranam. From Smru Dhatu you get Smaranam. From Drish Dhatu, Darshanam. So they are all derived from what? The Moola Dhatu is there. Behind each of these verbal noun, there is a root word involved. Root verb is involved for all this. Panam, pa piba, to drink. That is the Moola Dhatu. So Hasanam, Hasa. From Hasa Dhatu you get Hasanam. From Likha Dhatu you get Lekhanam. Like that every word is derived. Here we go, Srinivas. Udaharana you can read.
Balakah grantham parishilayati. Balakah granthasya parishilanam karoti.
Same exercise what we did in the previous page we are doing again. So balakaha grantham parishilayati. The boy is examining the book. A boy is examining a book. Balakaha, now grantha shabda is going to shashti. Granthasya parishilayati is also, the verb is split up here and it is split into two. Parishilanam karoti. Balakaha kim karoti? Parishilanam karoti. Kasya parishilanam karoti? Granthasya parishilanam. In the first sentence, if I pose a question like this, Balakaha kim karoti? Balakaha parishilayati. Balakaha kim parishilayati? Then the answer would be Grantham parishilayati. The same type, Balakaha karoti. Balakaha kim karoti? Parishilanam karoti. Balakaha kasya parishilanam karoti? Granthasya parishilanam karoti. And next, that is example. Now one you do.
Balakaha gurum anukaroti. Balakaha.
You put Guru Shabda in Shashti now. This is accusative, Dvitiya Vibhakti. You put it in Shashti. Guroho. Balakaha guroho anukaranam karoti. Now the verbs are listed above. No? You take first word there. Balakaha guroho anukaranam karoti. Balakaha gurum anukaroti. What is the first meaning here? Sentence first. Balakaha gurum anukaroti. Boy is imitating the teacher. Right? Balakaha gurum anukaroti is following or imitating the teacher. Balakaha guroho anukaranam karoti. Next, two.
Bhaktaha Ishwaram dhyayanti.
In the order they are given, you pick up the verb, the verbal noun from the box. Bhaktaha Ishwarasya
Dhyanam
kuruvanti, that's it. Dhyayanti, the verb is a word to be used is in the in the box given, second one. Second one, there only it is. Bhaktaha Ishwarasya, what all that you have to do, all those students who are learning, you put the middle word in Shashti and pick up the verbal noun from the box given above. So, Bhaktaha Ishwarasya, second word, Dhyanam Kuruvanti. Right, next.
Chhatraha Patham Smaranti.
Chhatraha standing same, put Patham into Pathasya. Smaranam, next word, Smaranam Kuruvanti. Chhatraha Pathasya Smaranam Kuruvanti is equal to saying Chhatraha Patham Smaranti. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Fourth.
Yatrinaha Murtim Pashyanti. Yatrinaha
Murtim, change it to Shashti, Ikaranta Pullinga Shabd. Murtehe Darshanam Kuruvanti. Pashyanti, Darshanam Kuruvanti. Darshanam, next word listed in the box. Yatrinaha Murtehe Darshanam Kuruvanti, which means the same. What is this meaning, Yatrinaha? Visitors, pilgrims are looking at the idol. Pilgrims are looking at the idol. Pilgrims are having the darshan of the idol. Second way of saying. Fifth.
Sainikaha Choran Tadayati. Sainikaha
Choran, put Bahuvachana Shashti. Choranam. Tadanam Kurvanti. Sainikaha Karoti, you are right. So Sainikaha Choran Tadayati. A soldier is beating up the thieves. First means this. Sainikaha, a soldier. Choran, the thieves. Tadayati is beating. A soldier is beating up the thieves. Now second way of saying is Sainikaha Choranam Tadanam Karoti is doing the beating of the thieves. A soldier is doing the beating of the thieves. That means beating the thieves. Sixth.
Mata Putram Lalayati. Mata
Putrasya
Lalanam
Karoti. Now, firstly, Mata Putram Lalayati. Mother fondles her son. Okay? A mother is fondling her son. Putram Lalayati is fondling. Mata same Putrasya Lalanam Karoti. Mother is doing the fondling of her son. Is doing the fondling of her son. Seventh.
पर्यटकाः तीर्थस्थानानि पश्यन्ति पर्यटकाः
तीर्थस्थानानां darshanam again kurvanti. Now paryatakaah plural na. So paryatakaah, first primary sentence, paryatakaah tirthasthanani pashyanti. The travelers are seeing the holy places. The travelers are seeing the holy places, firstly. Secondly, paryatakaah, the same travelers, tirthasthananam darshanam kurvanti, are doing the darshana of the holy places. Eighth.
बालः दुग्धं पिबति बालः
दुग्धस्य पानम करोति. बालः दुग्धं पिबति, a boy is drinking the milk. बालः दुग्धस्य पानम करोति, a boy is drinking of the milk. Drinking of the milk, is drinking the milk. Both are same. So any more?
Yes.
Oh, many more. We will rapidly sum up this page. Balakaha guroho anukaranam karoti. Bhaktaha ishwarasya dhyanam kurvanti. Third, chhatraha patasya smaranam kurvanti. Fourth, yatrinaha murtehe darshanam kurvanti. Sixth, mata putrasya lalanam karoti. Sainikaha choranam tadanam karoti. Sixth, mata putrasya lalanam karoti. Seventh, paryatakaha tirthasthananam darshanam kurvanti. Eighth, balaha dugdhasya panam karoti. And we have more sentences on this page. Ninth, you can read.
निर्दयः शिशून् हन्ति निर्दयः
शिशूनां. Now the word is there, hananam karoti. No, nirdaya is ekavachana, nirdaya karoti. So nirdayaha, what is the meaning of this word? Nirdayaha, a person who has no daya, in whom daya is gone. Nirgataha, apagataha, daya yasmin saha, that person in whom daya is gone. Daya has left him. Such a fellow is called merciless fellow. Cruel. Nirdayaha, nirgataha daya yasmin saha. So that is how the word is to be understood. So a kindless or a heartless person, Shishun Hanti, is killing the babies, infants. Okay? A heartless person, a cruel person is killing the infants. That is the primary meaning. Nirdayaha Purushaha. Let us take Srinivas for a better understanding. Manavaha. Nirdayaha Manavaha or Purushaha. Shishunam. Now Hanti is a verb with 2 letters here. Mostly we have come across verbs with 3 letters. Bhavati, Gacchati, and 4 letters also. Darshayati, Varnayati, etc. Hanti, this is a verb coming from the second. There are, if you remember, I don't know, long back in our class I told you all the verbs. There are roughly 200 verbs in Sanskrit grammar. They are counted. All these 2200 or 100 dhatus are divided into dasha lakaras. Dasha ganas. Each gana has a number of verbs, roots, dhatus. So beginning with bhu adi gana, ending with churadi gana. Bhu adi gana means bhu is the first verb there listed. Bhu, bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti. Adadi gana, second gana. Atti is there. Other to eat, bhakshane. So this verb hanti comes from the second gana, Srinivas, which is called adadi gana, wherein the verb is directly used without any addition there. Hana, hanti. Hana to kill. You know, The verb is derived from this, the same noun, verbal noun, hananam. Hananam means killing, right?
Yes, sir.
Where is hananam in the book, in the back? There. So, nirdayaha, a heartless, cruel person, shishunam hananam karoti, is doing the killing of the children. A cruel person is doing the killing of the children. That is the second sentence would mean, but otherwise a heartless person is killing the infants. Next.
महिलाः वस्त्राणि क्षालयन्ति महिलाः वस्त्राणां
Kshalanam kurvanti. So mahilaha, women, vastrani, clothes, kshalayante, are washing. Women are washing the clothes. That is the primary meaning here. Mahilaha vastranam, we have put this vastran in shashti. Vastranam kshalanam kurvanti. Kshalanam is washing. So that word is also there. Kshalanam kurvanti. Next.
सेवकः गृहं
Marsti.
मार्स्ट्
First. So you are coming across again first time, just now, the above verb hanti. Hanti you can understand because that sound is familiar to you. Hanti. Hanti means kills. Marsti means cleaning. Marjanam. The word derived from this verbal is marjana, sammarjana. So marsti, it comes from the dhatu mruja. Mruja in prakshalane, etc. So marsti, mrustaha, mrujanti. So this is adadigana, second conjugation of verbs. So marsti means cleaning. Sevakaha, a servant, gruham marsti, is cleaning the house. Same sentence. Sevakaha gruhasya marjanam karoti. See, the marjanam has come from mruja dhatu. Mruja is the dhatu from which marjanam, you know, marjanam is very popular. You know, marjanam is cleaning. So that is the same thing. Next.
सीता वनं गच्छति सीता
Vanasya
वनस्य
gamanam karoti. Now, Sita vanam gacchati is a direct sentence. Sita goes to the forest. Sita vanasya gamanam karoti. Next. Gamanam is given? Yes, next.
ऋषयः वेदान् अपश्यन्
Rushayah Vedan apashyan. Rushayah Vedanam darshanam akurvan. Vedanam darshanam krutavantaha or akurvan. Now, what is the first primary meaning here? Rushayah, the sages, Vedan, the Vedas, apashyan, saw. The sages saw the Vedas. Now, does it make any sense to you? No. Now we have a saying, you must have heard in other classes also. Rushayaha mantra drastaraha natu kartaraha. Rushayaha mantra drastaraha natu kartaraha. Rishis are the seers of the mantras, not the makers of the mantras. No Rishi has formulated any mantra. No Rishi has created any mantra. All the mantras were visualized by the Rishis. So he became a Rishi. What is the derivative meaning of the Rishi? I have to tell you now. The derivative meaning of the Rishi is Darshanat Rishihi. Rishihi Darshanat. Sorry. A Rishi is because of darshana, because of seeing. Seeing what? Darshana. Kasya darshana? Darshanat. Kesham darshanat. Mantranam. Mantranam darshanat eva Rishayah. So that is the meaning. Now it is clear, I suppose. Rishayah Vedan apashyan. The sages saw the Vedas. They visualized the Vedas. Vedic mantras. So Rushayah Vedanam Darshanam Akurvan. They did. So Rushi is that is the meaning. 14th.
Vrutyah Ajnam
Apalayat. Now some verbs are coming in Lang Prayoga, past tense Srinivas. For example, Apashyan, saw. Apalayat, protected, etc. Bhrutyah Agnam Apalayat. Bhrutyah, who is a Bhrutyah? A servant, Sevakaha. Bhrutyah means a servant, a paid servant. Agnam Apalayat, carried out the order. A paid servant carried out the order. Bhrutyah Sevakaha Agnayaha. Now Agnya is Strilinga Shabda. Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. So Bhrutyah Agnayaha Palanam Akarot. The servant did the he did obey the order. Bhrutyah Agnayaha Palanam Akarot. Palanam is given in the list. Palanam Akarot. Right. Next.
Yatrinah Nagaram Paribhramanti. Yatrinah Nagarasya Paribhramanam
Kurvanti. Yatrinah, the tourists, Nagaram Paribhramanti, are going around the city. Paribhramanti. You can see the activity there in the verb itself. Pari means around. So the travelers are going around the city. Going around the city. Yatrinah, the same thing. Nagarasya paribhramanam kurvanti, are doing the roaming of the city. The travelers are doing the roaming of the city, are roaming around the city. Same thing. Next.
Pradhana Mantri Videsham
Agachat. This is also past tense. Third verb. Pradhana Mantri Videsham Agachat means the Prime Minister went abroad. Agachat, Gachati, Agachat, went. The Prime Minister went abroad. Same sentence. Pradhana Mantri Videshasya Gamanam Akarot means the same thing. Videshasya Gamanam Akarot. Next, 17th.
Chhatraha Patham Smarati.
Very simple. Chhatraha Patham Smarati. A student remembers his lesson. Chhatraha Patasya Smaranam Karoti. The student is doing the memorization of the lesson. 18.
Pujakaha Devan Pujayati.
What is the primary meaning here? A Pujakaha. Pujakaha means a worshipper. Pujayati is worshipping the gods. A worshipper is worshipping the gods. Pujakaha Devanam Pujanam Karoti. Devanam Pujanam Karoti. Is Pujanam given? Yes, Pujanam. All are derivative nouns here. Pujakaha Devanam Pujanam Karoti. Worshipper is doing the worship of the gods. Next, and the last one.
Darshakaha Cricket Kridam Pashyanti.
A contemporary Sanskrit sentence this is. This is a modern sentence, you can say. Darshakaha, audience, cricket kridam pashyanti, are watching the cricket sport, cricket game of cricket. Darshakaha cricket kridayaha. Cricket is English, krida is Sanskrit. So this is a hybrid usage word. Darshakaha cricket kridayaha darshanam kurvanti means audiences are watching the cricket. That means that. So in this way, one example, the meaning of the first, this word, 11th verb Srinivas is given here. Nutana kriya rupam marsti means swacham karoti. Understand? Swacham karoti makes it clean. Marjanam karoti, otherwise marjanam karoti. So these are all rapidly going again from 9 to 19. Nirdayaha Sishunam Hananam Karoti. 10th. Just you can put the cursor there, Srinivas.
Yes.
Mahilaha vastranam kshalanam kuruvanti. 11. Sevakaha gruhasya marjanam karoti. 12. Sita vanasya gamanam karoti. 13. Rishayaha vedanam darshanam akuruvan. 14. Bhrutyaha ajnayaha palanam karoti. 15. Yatrinaha nagarasya paribhramanam kurvanti. 16. Pradhana mantri videshasya gamanam akarot. 17. Chhatraha patasya smaranam karoti. 18. Pujakaha devanam pujanam karoti. 19. Darshakaha cricket kridayaha darshanam kurvanti. And the verb marshti means swacham karoti marjanam karoti. We have to write, I think,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
in the next class only. Shubham bhuyat.